All right, Worldcoin. Whoops, hold on a second. Worldcoin integrates Alchemy for world chain launch, eyes European market. So, yeah, this is also one of we've talked about Worldcoin a couple times this week already, or maybe just once. But anyway, interesting to see Worldcoin's back in action. All right, Worldcoin partners with Alchemy for advanced blockchain infrastructure, targeted European market expansion with World ID orb verifications. So, according to the latest announcements on the Worldcoin blog, the company's introduced a new partnership with Alchemy to provide the infrastructure for WorldChain. Earlier, CNF reported that Worldcoin's WLD $3 surge was fueled by global expansion and positive verdicts. Right. They were banned from, I think, operating in like Kenya or Nigeria. And apparently the government, I guess, said, okay, you're allowed to work here again. So, but there's also a new focus on the European market. Unlike previous regional strategies in Latin America, this new partnership focuses on the European market, aiming to enhance digital security and privacy. Colin Brown, a blockchain expert, shared his view that this partnership will boost the WorldChain project with advanced blockchain infrastructure. So, core features and developer support. The collaboration features core node APIs, smart wallet abstractions, and digital indexing. Worldcoin also begins its European expansion with World Orb verification. So you guys remember I had that video where I met those guys from Hex, from Pulse Chain, and they had that Worldcoin orb. Yeah. It was pretty wild. And there's only like 10 of them in the world or something. Yeah. Well, there was when I saw it. Anyways, though, developers are expected to build on trusted, reliable infrastructure with more than 6 years of experience. Noam Hertzvig, engineering lead for Alchemy Rollups, said, "We're excited to partner with Worldcoin to deliver essential infrastructure and foster developer growth for WorldChain. With over 6 years of proven experience ensuring guaranteed uptime for major Web 2 and Web 3 enterprises, Alchemy is uniquely positioned to support the over 10 million World app users at launch. Additionally, we're proud to offer our entire Alchemy product platform to developers, seamlessly integrated into WorldChain." So, bang, there you go. Worldcoin has chosen Alchemy. They're going to come together, and they're eyeing the European market. So, look, so how it works is it like scans you. It takes like biometric data of you or something, and I guess puts it on like a blockchain or something. I don't really know much about Worldcoin, but like I said, there was that video where I showed you guys